Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix your organization messages updates on this PC message on Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on start, type here CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to copy and paste these three command lines. I will give in description. So press first command line and enter, then second command line, enter, and third one, then enter. And once this complete, close it and restart. So this is the basic way guys to resolve this issue. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.